Hi guys, I'm Rocco and welcome to my nature walk. I hope you enjoy! This plant is called male fern. This is called sphagnum moss. This shrub is called rhododendron. This fungus is called chicken of the woods. It's edible. This plant's called elm. The leaf is asymmetrical. This plant is called orange balsam. This plant is called bryony. It's very poisonous. This plant is called sorrel. It's edible. Nature's wonderful food. This plant's called water mint. This tree is called black pine. This tree is called Scots pine. This fungus is called beefsteak. It's edible. This tree is called turkey oak.